We got a rough video today. We're pulling the Mustang all the way apart again because I got lied to. Transmission, as you guys saw, is junk. In order to fix that, we probably should pull everything out. I do have a couple things to make this better, such as like a dipstick and all that stuff that I want to add to the car. And in order to do that, might as well pull the engine and the transmission. I'm planning on rebuilding this transmission. We're going to make it work. We are in full teardown mode. I got Blaze, who's my younger brother, helping me out. We got the headers and everything stripped off of this thing. We got all the stuff underneath the car unhooked. Pretty much ready to yank this motor out. So we're going to flip-flop these cars. Basically stick mine outside because it doesn't quite run yet. We're getting close. New transmission's in and everything, so we're really close. That video is coming soon. Back to this thing. We're just going to push her outside, swap cars around, and then we'll be pretty much ready to yank the motor. We did everything in as big a chunks as possible, so when it goes back together, it goes back together a whole lot quicker. How we doing? Good? Got it right down to where we're pulling it out. Hopefully it comes out nicely. I think this is about to come out of here like a wrecking ball. I came in like a wrecking ball, but never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break you off.
That was something else.
I don't even know the words.
What? How do you not know the words?
It's not what I normally listen to.
It's not what I normally listen to either, but...
Liar!
Whoa!
Oh, it's already going.
Oh, no! To get it in there, we beat the crap out of it. We're stuck to that hose in back, probably.
Please totally had a face for radio.
Face for radio.
Never heard that classic insult. I think I might have cracked one. Hey, it comes off a lot easier. It's cracked.
Send her up some more here. Here we go. This doesn't move. We just brute force it. All right, let's brute force it out.
So you want me to put like on this side now?
Yeah. When I lift up, I want you to pull it out without crushing the finger.
I'll try.
Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Jeepers Christ. Now, let's tip her back. Throw it back like a shot.
The demons told me to.
Kind of guiders from all the expensive stuff.
Okay.
That's not good for that wire. It's about to get decapitated. Actually, she came back around. There, got saved. Try to slide that pan forward, Josh. You're like really just pissing on the floor. Good thing.
You completely missed the pan.
It's a good thing we got cracks in the floor because they're just automagical drains, you know, it goes right down.
How about you? I don't really like the ATF smells too much.
I just don't like gear oil. Gear oil is nasty.
That's definitely worse. Think I'm bored with it. Okay, you didn't expect that to happen.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, in my defense, it wasn't there before.
What? What the fuck?
It just showed up.
Yeah.
You want to control it while I violently jerk on it?
What did he say?
Quite a lot, but pretty low budget. Clear?
Wait, this thing just... I don't know why. I always think about that every time you're pulling an engine out. No matter what engine it is, I just imagine snap, bam. Okay. Splits in half. Your crank rods just fall on the floor.
This is an Explorer engine block. It was a rear sump pan. This being that it has to be a front sump pan to clear the K-member and all that stuff. The dipstick hits the bottom here. It doesn't actually do dipstick things, but it should over here. What I did, I think this is for like a 7.3 or something, diesel motor. I got one of these guys. Essentially, I'm going to punch a hole in the block, or in the, well, I might do that too later this year.
I'll fucking do it again.
I'm going to punch a hole in the pan, stick this guy through, lock her down, probably put thread locker or something on it to hopefully hold it there. It has an O-ring in it, should seal up. We should actually be able to have a dipstick. Yeah, that was just something that kind of slipped our mind when we were setting all this stuff up. Pull the transmission off, and we're going to start tearing it apart, and we're going to reassemble it. Going down.
The pterodactyls are trying again.
Yep, there's a whole bunch of them in the field out there. I really wish that I wouldn't have been lied to. This sucks. I honestly wouldn't have even cared, even though I overpaid and stuff. I wouldn't have cared if I already known it was a trash transmission and rebuilt it, like whatever. Having to pull the engine and all that stuff twice just because you got lied to really kind of does suck. I don't understand it, folks. I don't. I'm definitely going to drop this.
Yeah. That's the last one. Harness in the hand, that's great.
So, oh gosh. Ow.
It's an aluminum case, right?
It is. Well, some of these actually were steel. She's up on the surgery table. Now we're going to start ripping bolts out of this unit and see what kind of crap is in her. Yeah, that might be where the problem is. Uh-oh. That's not good.
Oh, that was just a minute.
Oh, okay. I thought that was about to make it a 5-hour job. Where's the metal coming from, though?
It's just all inside of here, inside this piston.
That stuff looks alright-ish, kind of.
There's a lot of clutch material in there, though.
That doesn't give me hope for the clutches.
Yeah, there's more clutch material in this than that 400 had, for sure.
We might be buying clutch packs. Oh,
See the difference
there is a difference.
between how this top
That
one
one's
looks?
brown, and all
The
those are
rest of it
black.
is black. So I think 4 out of 5 of these clutches are junk. They're glazed. You just take some sandpaper, scuff them up, and put them back in. That's not that bad.
Jack. I'm going to end that video off there. We got a bunch more stuff coming with the Mustang in the near future. Camaro, as I speak, is about 75% done. We are going to make it back at the track in July. I can't believe how supportive the race car community was with the wreck and stuff. They were just happy to see that me and Josh walked away from that one, that we weren't giving up. We're going to get back out there, and we're going to keep trying. And we're going to just be smarter about it this time and try not to do more dumb shit. So thank you guys again for all the support. It's insane. If you want to help me out, share one of my videos with your buddies and see if they like my content like you guys do. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.